Hey everyone, welcome back. Are you thinking of diving into the real estate market? Well, then you're gonna wanna stick around for this. We're breaking down the top 5 massive mistakes that home buyers are making right now and how you can avoid them to secure a home of your dreams without the stress and without breaking the bank. Hi, my name is Kara Condi and I am a local realtor right here in Indianapolis, bringing you another episode of Indy Vibe. All right, kicking it off with mistake number 1, trying to time the market. Look, whether it's stocks or real estate, timing the market is a slippery slope. How many times have you heard the phrase, I am waiting for the perfect time to buy? Well, spoiler alert, there is no such thing as the perfect time. I understand right now the rates are high, but there are so many homes, good ones, still sitting on the market, which means we can negotiate and get these homes for you for a much lower price. I'm telling you, your purchase price you are stuck with, but your interest rate you're not. You can always refinance when the rates go down. So instead of waiting for this mythical perfect moment, ask yourself some what if questions, like what if you buy now and prices go up? Well, you start building home equity, that's what happens. Moving on to mistake number 2, only worrying about your mortgage payments. Now, don't get me wrong, mortgage is very important, but it's not the only financial responsibility you're gonna have. Many buyers forget to consider other costs like homeowners insurance, taxes, and maintenance. These can add thousands to your monthly expenses. So don't forget to take all of these into consideration. Failing to budget properly for all of these can make your home ownership journey a financial nightmare. Mistake number 3 is neglecting to check your credit score. We all know mortgage rates are high, but a bad credit score could make them skyrocket even more. Start monitoring and improving your credit score as early as possible. This could save you thousands in the long run. And remember, it's always a good idea to stick to the 28-36 rule. What is this rule? Well, you don't spend more than 28% of your gross monthly income on housing costs, and you keep your total debt below 36%. That is the 28-36% rule. Okay, before we go to number 4, just quickly, I hope you're getting value from the videos of this channel. And like I mentioned earlier, I am a local realtor here in Indianapolis. So if you're thinking of moving to Indy or any of the surrounding suburbs like Carmel, Zionsville, I cover all of the suburbs, the surrounding suburbs in Indianapolis. Please do connect with me. My contact information is somewhere on this video, and for sure, it is in the comments down below. I do get emails, texts, and some phone calls all the time, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, do reach out to me. I would love to help you. All right, now moving on to mistake number 4, which is buying a home too quickly, or worse, sight unseen. Sure, the real estate market is fast-paced, but guess what? You can't smell a house through photos, and you definitely can't hear what noises you'd hear living in the house. Buying a home based solely on online images is a huge mistake. You are missing out on experiencing the neighborhood, maybe talking to the neighbors, and really getting the feel for the home. So take the time to visit and experience the home yourself before making the crucial decision. Finally, last but not the least, mistake number 5, falling head over heels for a house you can't afford. Now, it's easy to get emotionally attached, but getting stuck in escrow because you miscalculated your budget is not a fun place to be. Get clear on the math right from the get-go before you even get any emotions involved. Get a lender to pre-approve you. They're going to let you know exactly what you can afford, and make sure you stick to your budget. Like they say, fall in love with the numbers before you fall in love with the house. There you have it, folks, the top 5 mistakes that homeowners are making right now. Now you are armed with the knowledge to navigate this high-stakes terrain. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and share it with anyone you know who's in the market for a new home. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to be part of our family, and ring that notification bell so you won't miss out on our next video. Until then, stay savvy, stay smart, and happy home buying. Catch you in the next one.